Namaste. In the last episode, we explored the suit of swords. Swords connected us to the world of thoughts, clarity, and mental conflict. Today, we shift again into a much more grounded energy, the suit of pentacles. Pentacles represent the physical world, work, money, health, routines, and stability. This is where tarot meets daily life. When these cards appear reversed, they do not take away stability. They show us where stability is misaligned, where we may be disconnected from our efforts, our values, or our self worth. Today, we begin with the first five cards of the suit of Pentacles. The Ace of Pentacles represents new beginnings in the material world, a new job, a new opportunity, a new foundation. When reversed, this opportunity may not fully manifest. It may be missed, delayed, or not recognized. Sometimes we are not ready to receive what is being offered. Other times the foundation is still weak. This card asks, are you building with clarity or pushing without grounding? The lesson is simple: slow down and build strong. The Two of Pentacles is about balance and managing life's responsibilities. When reversed, this balance is disturbed. You may feel overwhelmed, pulled in multiple directions, too many tasks, too little stability. This is not just about work, it is about energy. Where is your energy going? This card invites you to pause and reprioritize. Balance is not something you find, it is something you create. The Three of Pentacles represents teamwork, learning, and collaboration. When reversed, this harmony is disturbed. You may feel unseen, unappreciated, or working with people who do not align with you. Sometimes the issue is not effort but direction. This card asks, are you in the right environment? Are you building with the right people? The lesson is alignment, not just hard work. The Four of Pentacles is about holding on to money, to control, to security. When reversed, this hold begins to shift. You may be learning to let go or feeling fear of losing control. This card is very subtle. It asks, are you holding on out of fear or releasing with trust? True security does not come from control, it comes from inner stability. The Five of Pentacles represents difficult times, financial struggle, or feeling left out. When reversed, this energy begins to shift. Recovery starts, support appears, a path opens, even if slowly. This card reminds us no difficult phase is permanent. Even in struggle, healing is already beginning. The first half of the suit of Pentacles is about foundation. These cards teach us how we start, how we balance, how we work with others, and how we hold and how we release. When reversed, they show us where we are misaligned, not to judge but to correct. Stability is not built in one day, it is built through awareness. In the next episode, we will continue the Suit of Pentacles and explore the next five cards. The journey will now deepen into long term growth, self worth, and true security. Namaste.